So I have had my braces since November of 2016. It is now February of 2018 and I have yet to make an update video. I know I was planning on doing like this whole journey of, you know, my braces, but y'all know how I am. I come and I go, and sometimes I just can't keep up with my YouTube channel. But today I got time and I would like to just talk to y'all about the real on these braces.
You guys, well, my voice is cracking. I just got over, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was the flu. I don't know if I had developed bronchitis like before. I don't know, but I was sick. So if my voice goes in and out, that's fine.
So I feel like braces are probably like giving birth. Not the pain. I'm not saying like the pain is the same. But it's like, y'all ever ask your friends and stuff, oh, you know, did it hurt when you gave birth? And they be like, no, not really. It was just a lot of pressure. But then you got people who say like, yes, that mess was painful. Don't let people tell you a lie. The thing about braces, I feel, is that people try to say it's uncomfortable.
Oh no, girl, don't hurt. This is very uncomfortable. No. Braces hurt.
Braces hurt so bad. So the first thing is that when you get your braces, especially if you have a lot of gaps like me, and as y'all can see, my teeth have improved drastically. Excuse me. But you feel like you're teething when those gaps are closing. Basically, I guess it's like because your teeth are shifting, and it's kind of like when a baby is teething and the teeth are pushing through the gums. It's just this itchy, like you want to just claw into your gums. Like, I know that sounds disgusting, but it's the truth. You just feel like you want to scratch your gums and nothing relieves it. Not Orajel. Do not go by Orajel. That mess lasts you for about a good 30 seconds, then it wears off. I don't know why they created that stuff. But Orajel does not work for when you feel like you're teething. Painkillers don't help you when you feel like you're teething. The only thing that helps me out is using my water pick. I can't stress enough how important this thing is. Not just for cleaning your teeth, but y'all, when you feel like you're teething, and if you're getting braces, or if you already have braces and you just deal with it because you don't know what to do, get a water pick. You should already have a water pick if you have braces because it helps get all the stuff out your teeth. But this thing here, you fill it up, you open this up, right? You pour water into it, and then you turn it on, and it shoots out water, like really sharp water, and you just like run it along your gums, and y'all, it is the best feeling in the world. And I got mine from this is the Water Pick brand, a water flosser. I got mine from Walmart. They're like $40. I think the highest they go is like $60 if you get like the whole system, like the whole setup thing. But I just got the regular handheld one. So make sure you have a water pick. Very important. I'm telling you, you'll regret it if you don't buy one. Even that, it doesn't relieve it the entire time. You just got to kind of deal with it. And I know I don't hear anybody talk about that. It's so crazy. I'm like, I know I cannot be the only person in the world that experiences this feeling, this itching sensation in my gums. So yeah, so that happens. But when you first, you know, in the first few stages of having your braces when your gaps are closing, it is very hard to eat within those first few days. So get ice cream, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese. Do not, I repeat, do not try to eat anything hard, like no meat, nothing when you first get your braces on and when you first get your teeth adjusted, like when you go to get them adjusted. You can eat something today and think that it went okay and think that I got through that. I was able to eat my food. That was good. Girl or boy, I'm telling you, like 3 days later, you'll wake up and you have this intense pain in your mouth. Your gums are just achy as crap. And it's like, oh my God, like back in your molars is just so much pain, or up in the front. And it's like because of what you ate a couple days ago. You wake up sometimes and you feel like your teeth are literally loose in your mouth. My little cousin, thank God she has braces. I thought it was just me, but she asked me one day and she was like, girl, she was like, do you ever feel like your teeth are loose? And I was like, yes, like, oh my God, nobody talks about that either. Like sometimes it feels like your teeth, you wake up one day and randomly your teeth feel loose and you can like move them, and it's like because they loosen up when they're about to finally shift into place. It's the weirdest thing ever, but it happens. If that happens to you, it's okay. I mean, if you feel more comfortable, definitely talk to your dentist. Your teeth randomly shift out of nowhere and you just be like, what the heck? The next thing, y'all, make sure you have some dental braces, wax, whatever this is called. It doesn't even have a name. It's called wax, but it's literally, y'all, excuse my nails, they look so ugly. But it's literally just strips of wax, you guys. So the Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, they sell these. They sell them in packs of like 2 or 3 for I think maybe like $5-6. You're going to need these. I can't stress that enough. Your water pick and the wax, you need these. So the wax is used for when you get your braces, right? And even when you get them adjusted, sometimes the wires like to poke the mess out of your cheeks, like the insides of your cheeks. I don't know why it happens. You leave the dental office and they ask you, like, everything feel good? You be like, yeah, it feels good. Like, nope, nothing's poking. You swish your mouth around, you feel everything feels fine. But as your gaps start to close and as your teeth start to adjust, the wires start to stretch, or if they start to come out, I guess, or whatever. And them things is like a needle like poking into your cheeks. And I'm telling you, you have to get these. Basically, what you do, you just simply, it comes in strips. You rip, half a strip off or a little ball and roll it up, and you dry, you take your paper towel or something, just pat it to get it dry, and then you just press the wax onto whatever bracket or piece of wire that is poking you.
I have not had... Hello? Hey, girl. Nothing, recording a video about my braces. What's going on? Why?
Your doctor tells you not to eat something, do not eat it. That's a very important thing also. I haven't chewed a piece of gum or eaten a gummy worm, gummy bear, anything. And y'all, I love gummy bears so much. Because y'all know I go to the movies a lot. Do y'all know that? I don't think I've shared that with you guys. I think I have. But I go to the movies a lot. I go to the movies about 4 to 6 times a month. So my movie snack was always gummy bears and a fruit punch or some type of, drink or whatever. Y'all, it's been so hard because I can't eat gummy bears, I can't eat gummy worms, no chewy candies. And I used to love to chew on gum. Like, gum was like, I loved gum. Jolly Ranchers, love Jolly Ranchers. I haven't had any of those in over a year. Cleaning and maintenance. So you definitely want to make sure that you get a cleaning I believe it's every 4 to 6 months. You usually have to have an orthodontist and a general dentist. Some dental offices have both of those at their location. Many of them, it's just strictly orthodontics, and then general dentists usually don't do orthodontics. Me, I have a general dentist and an orthodontist. Your general dentist, something that I don't hear people tell folks, is that your general dentist more than likely wants for you to get your wires removed prior to your cleaning. This is because in order to get deep down into your gums and get in between all the little, crevices and everything, the wires get in the way of that and it makes it harder. So usually they'll tell you, please remove your wires before coming in. So you gotta schedule, either empty your whole schedule for that day, or, if you feel good with going to your orthodontist one day, getting taken off, and then the next day going to get your teeth cleaned, and then you got to go back to your orthodontist to get them put back on. So, yeah, so just be mindful of that when scheduling your appointment. Try to, work with both of them to get the appointment on the same day. As far as at-home cleaning, now, I'm not a dentist, but I have pretty good oral hygiene as far as cleaning because I've never had a cavity. Every time I go to the dentist, I never have any, like, they don't scold me for anything. I brush. And especially now that I have braces on, it's like more important. Definitely you want to be brushing morning and night at least. Now you should be brushing more than that, but that is the minimum. If you are only brushing 1 time a day, get your life right, okay? Because you're investing so much money into your braces and you have to brush and you have to clean your teeth. Clean your teeth, okay? So what I use, the only toothpaste that I use. I've switched up a couple times, but really I always end up coming back to this exact flavor, exact brand. Is the Crest 3D White, the Arctic Fresh Icy Cool Mint flavor. I love this toothpaste so much. I feel like they love this toothpaste because it's very, I think it's maybe because of the Arctic Fresh flavor. It just leaves your mouth feeling super cool and just so fresh and just smelling so good, just smelling like toothpaste. So I love this toothpaste so much. Crest, you guys are just lifesavers. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Dr. Fresh toothbrushes. Some people say to brush your teeth with an electric toothbrush. For me, I don't know about everybody else, I'm only giving y'all my opinion, they don't work. It doesn't scrub. I don't like them. I had one. I ended up throwing it. Did I throw mine away? Because it was taking up space. And I was like, I don't use this crap anyway. Because in my dental office, they gave me one for free. But I threw it away because I don't use it. And there was no point. So these right here, the Dr. Fresh toothbrushes, y'all. I buy these for $1. I've used most of them. It's almost time for me to go get another pack. But, you know, I have to... I don't have like a certain time frame on when I switch out my toothbrushes. I really just switch them out when the bristles start to spray like out. When the bristles start looking kind of like they don't look like this anymore. They don't look, you know, like that. That's when I switch my toothbrush. So, yeah. So I buy these from CVS. You can buy them. Does Walmart? I think Walmart has them. So Walmart or CVS. I don't know if Walgreens has them. I don't think they do. I think, yeah, they probably do. But I always get them from Walmart or CVS. And they have, I really don't want to touch this, but whatever. This is how they look. They come in an assortment of colors. They have blue, green, purple, red, orange, and I think that's it. Yeah. So this is what they look like. The reason I like these, and my little cousin, she uses these too. The only toothbrushes that she uses. She also had an electric toothbrush. She still has hers, but it just sits on her. It just sits on her counter. She don't use it. She uses these because first of all, for these to be so cheap, that you get 6 in a pack and they're only $1 and they work so good. So the head of the brush, as you can see, is very thin. You know, you have to like really get into every crack and crevice, and like you brush. It's hard to it's hard to explain it, but I'm sure that there are like tutorials on here of how to brush your teeth. But y'all, I'm like kind of obsessed with brushing my teeth. Like, I work from home, so it's definitely easier for me. If you don't brush your teeth more than twice a day, I'm not judging you, because I understand not everyone is able to brush throughout the day. And me personally, if I'm out somewhere, I am not about to go brush my teeth in somebody's public restroom. I'm sorry, that's just me. This next item or whatever are this is the Interdental Floss Ups. They only sell these at Walgreens. I've looked for them at Walmart, but they don't have, let me show you what it looks like. As y'all see, I'm running out. That's because I actually use these products. You know, people be getting on here. I don't know if folks be like, they buy new stuff before they get on here and then they, just to make it look good. But I use my stuff, so that's why everything is almost empty. These dental floss ups, I love them. They have the little Walgreens logo on them. And then you see how thin the floss is on these? I love the thin floss. A lot of these you find at like Walmart and stuff, and the floss is very thick. That mess hurts. I've tried to use it before. It hurts a lot. So I definitely use these. And then I like them because if you can see, you can really see that, but they have bristles. I've never had an issue with cavities, plaque, or anything like that. So these, I feel, paired with my water pick, floss my teeth just fine. I don't use regular dental floss. I feel like regular dental floss is a thing of the past, and eventually people are going to stop using it and just altogether, because it's just very, dental floss to me is very old school and barbaric. Again, judge me. I give y'all permission. You can judge me on this one. I'm pretty sure if a dentist watched this, they probably like, oh my god, don't tell people that. But honestly, I don't use regular dental floss because it's a waste of my time, takes forever, and I just don't like having that string just trying to, and it's unrealistic. Like, how the heck do you get the dental floss in the back of your mouth. Like that, these right here, you hold them and you can push back as far as you need to into the back of your mouth and, you know, get up in there. But with dental floss, you can't do that, especially when you have braces. It's very, very hard. So honestly speaking, and I know I'm not the only one, I use these paired with my flosser and they work just fine for me. Oh gosh, I didn't bring my mouthwash, but I use the Crest. Y'all, everything is Crest. I use the Crest mouthwash. It's just the blue. You always buy the really big one. It's the blue liquid, and it's by Crest, and I use that morning, night, in the middle of the day, especially at night because it has like fluoride or something in it, and they say that it's good to wash your mouth out with that and then go to sleep and let the fluoride just sit or whatever. So I use that. Now the last thing I want to tell you guys about, the most annoying thing in the world, are these here elastics. Little like, they look like rubber bands almost, but they're a lot stronger than rubber bands. And so basically your dentist, it's those little lines you always see people with braces wearing. You know, the position changes over time. Your dentist, your orthodontist will tell you, like before you leave him or the dental assistant, they'll tell you what brackets your rubber band should be connected to, and I'll show y'all right now what brackets I'm supposed to be connecting to.
Oh my goodness, it's so hard. I have to do it down here, so I put it on. I take the little circle, the little rubber band, put it on one bracket, and I have to stretch it up all the way over here to this bracket. Oh God! So you see, so right now this is how I have to wear. See how it's because my teeth are crossed, so this is helping it. See, originally it's crossed like that. Y'all see that? And it's not even. So this rubber band being on it, when I loosen my jaw and just let it do what it does, it goes over to that. So that's straight up and down. Straight up and down.
So yeah, that's how I had to sleep with it at night. So at nighttime, I have to put this on my mouth. So uncomfortable because my jaw just be trying to fight it. And so when I'm asleep, I can just feel my jaw just like shaking side to side. I have to wear this at nighttime. I don't wear it during the day because y'all see it makes me talk funny, and you can see this line just in my mouth. It looks disgusting. But that's what I'm only he told me I only have to wear it at night. You guys, that's basically all that I had to share. That's like a year's worth of information. And still, I mean, there's still stuff that I didn't even share because I can't think of anything right now. So, but if y'all have any questions or anything like that, just please comment down below or hit me up, slide in my DMs on Instagram or Twitter. And my Instagram and Twitter is the same as my YouTube channel, Beauty for Kicks. That's beauty, the number 4, and the word kicks. So if you want me to answer any questions, just definitely hit me up on there, and I'll answer any questions that you may have. Follow me, and if you want for me to follow you back, just let me know, and of course I'll follow you back. And just thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I was as clear in my details and instructions and just giving information about my braces. Again, I have had them on for about a year and 3 months, or I say like a year and 4 months. So I've got a pretty good grip on braces and the whole, you know, process. So this video is super long, but if you have any questions at all, just please let me know, and I'll be sure to answer those in another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. I'm at 2,500 subscribers. Hopefully I can get to 3,000 by the end of the year. And I guess I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.